Namaste, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to January winter vlog. So today is Tuesday and that's the beauty. Ira getting ready, going down. It's around 8 o'clock. Need to have breakfast. Ira needs to teach by 8:30. We have some work by evening. I'm going to set everything, the entire flooring for the school, and it will be a different look. So lot of things, like for this month there are a lot of things for school. Let us see how it goes. I'm going down to it. I'm hungry. Just reached at the school. Gonna finish some work right now that I'm gonna start. In the afternoon I reached, we were about to come, but I had few other works to finish. Ira, on the road, not running. We'll let the work start. Just got a call from Samir uncle. He has just bought a new car. So before 1 day delivery they give a PDA. So it's mandatory, all your cars when you buy you should check everything before it is out of the showroom. Otherwise you can just reject the car right and there before it is in your hand. Otherwise they won't take anything in their hand. So heading towards Skoda right now, and tomorrow the new car is at home. A lot of traffic as of now. It's maddening right now everywhere. Let's see. In the evening and the work is done. So there are more looks going to get changed, another 7 more days or maybe a month, but for sure by by sure it's going to be done everything in a month. Next academic year, June. Now I'm going to pick up Ai. Going to shopping time for Ira. I'm doing some exchange as of now. So Malika bought something for her but exchanging right now. Namaste. Here you to sit. Ira, it is too big for you. Are you going to do some makeup? Yeah? You can't see anything, but I can see you. Vlog that you're doing. What kind of game is this, Ira, that you're playing? It hurts. I know it's dirty, it's disgusting. Stop eating. Ira, that's my head. Ira, please. Ira, it's hurting, no? No. Now I'll show what to do. Stop. Ira. Dirty girl. Ira, what is it? It's prawns, huh? Ira, what is it that you're eating? Ira, what is it that you're eating?
No, that's chicken roll.
तुझी मजा Ira. आमच्या टायमाला किती किती जाताले. So just reach us Ira. I mean, Pay's place, Malika's place. I'm gonna sit, chit chat, and then home. गेलेत किचन घुसलेत. Just got home. It's 9:30. Super sleepy, tired, lot of work. So Ira is gone on top. Harthi is putting her to sleep. My granny just studied the Bhuj Jolokia. कसे लागले गाई भुज जोलक्या उजं पेटलं पाल्या पेटताना काय आई झाला तांबडी झोपाची उरला उदक स्वतः की उदक तोच कोणाक बोलत का
बरे आला खाया का
समोरच आई बरे उजं पेटत का
थंडीला गरम
आणि गरम तिकडे जायचं ना
शिद्दू इरा
हिरा हिरी से हिरा
आता गेली तिकसा गेली
what a night. So good night guys and ciao ciao.